Welcome to the world of database testing. In this module, you will learn about test methodologies specifically designed for database applications. Databases are at the heart of most applications, and ensuring their reliability is key. Let's explore how to thoroughly test them. So, what exactly is database testing? Database testing is the process of validating the functionality, integrity, performance, and security of a database system. The aim is to ensure it meets all the specified requirements. Key objectives include verifying data integrity and consistency. This means ensuring that the data remains accurate and reliable throughout its lifecycle. Validating the database schema and structure, we want to confirm that the database is designed correctly and efficiently. Testing database performance and scalability is crucial to ensure the database can handle expected loads. Ensuring data security and access controls to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. These objectives ensure a robust and reliable database system. Let's explore the different types of database testing. First, structural testing. This involves validating the database schema, tables, columns, views, indexes, and relationships. The goal is to ensure the database is well organized and structured. Second, functional testing. It verifies that database operations, such as create, read, update, and delete, work correctly. It also tests stored procedures and ensures business rules are properly enforced. Third, performance testing. This evaluates the database response times, throughput, and resource utilization under various load conditions to ensure optimal performance. Fourth, security testing. This assesses database security controls, authentication mechanisms, authorization rules, and vulnerability to SQL injection and other attacks. Each type of testing ensures a different aspect of the database functions correctly and securely. Now let's focus on data integrity testing. Key integrity checks include entity integrity, which ensures that primary key constraints are enforced, meaning each record is uniquely identified. Referential integrity validates foreign key relationships, ensuring relationships between tables are consistent. Domain integrity verifies data type, format, and range constraints, ensuring data fits the expected format. Business rule integrity tests custom business logic constraints, ensuring custom rules are correctly applied. Null integrity checks not null constraints are enforced, preventing essential fields from being left blank. Here are some example SQL integrity tests. The first query tests referential integrity by checking for orders with customer IDs that don't exist in the customer's table. The second query tests domain integrity by checking for products with a price less than or equal to 0 or with a missing price. Let's delve into database performance testing. There are several types of performance tests, including load testing. It evaluates system behavior under expected load conditions. Stress testing identifies breaking points by pushing beyond normal capacity. Scalability testing measures how the system scales with increasing data volume. Spike testing tests response to sudden large increases in load. Endurance testing verifies system stability over extended periods. Key performance metrics include response time, which is the time taken to complete a database operation. Throughput is the number of transactions processed per second. Resource utilization includes CPU, memory, disk input, output, and network usage. Concurrency measures the performance with multiple simultaneous users. Understanding these metrics is essential for maintaining optimal database performance. Now let's discuss database security testing. Security testing areas include authentication and authorization controls to verify access permissions, SQL injection vulnerability assessment to identify and prevent attacks, data encryption for sensitive information to protect confidential data, privilege escalation testing to ensure users can't gain unauthorized access, audit logging and monitoring to track database activity, backup and recovery procedures to ensure data can be restored. Here is an example of SQL injection. The vulnerable query constructs a SQL query directly using user-provided input. An attacker could inject malicious code to bypass authentication. The parameterized query uses placeholders for username and password, preventing SQL injection. The values are passed separately to the database. Now let's look into database test automation. Benefits of automation include increased test coverage and consistency to catch more issues. Faster execution of repetitive test cases for quicker feedback. Early detection of regression issues preventing bugs from reaching production. Reduced manual effort and human error saving time and resources. Reusable test scripts for continuous testing integrating testing into the development cycle. Integration with continuous integration. Continuous delivery pipelines ensuring automated testing with each code change. Popular automation tools are DB-Unit, a Java framework for database unit testing with dataset comparison capabilities. Liquibase, a database schema change management with version control integration. SQL Data Generator, which creates realistic test data based on column types and constraints. JMeter, a load testing tool with JDBC support for database performance testing. Let's discuss test data management. Test data strategies include synthetic data, which is artificially generated data that mimics production patterns. Subset data, a smaller representative sample from the production database. Masked data, where production data with sensitive information obfuscated. Boundary data, data at the edges of acceptable ranges. Negative data, invalid inputs to test error handling. This is the data generation example. The first SQL statement inserts 1,000 new customers into the customers table, generating unique names, emails, and created dates. The second statement creates boundary test cases for the products table, inserting products with minimum and maximum prices. Let's go over some database testing best practices. First, plan test environments by creating isolated test environments that mirror production configurations without affecting live data. Second, automate regression tests by implementing automated test suites for critical database operations to catch regressions early. Third, monitor performance by regularly benchmarking and monitoring query performance to identify optimization opportunities. Fourth, secure test data by masking or anonymizing sensitive data in test environments to maintain privacy compliance. Fifth, document test cases by maintaining comprehensive documentation of test scenarios, expected results, and edge cases. Sixth, validate data integrity by verifying data consistency across tables, especially after migrations or schema changes. Following these best practices ensures robust and reliable database testing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.